Can you see me? I'm finally outside. So here in Germany now the corona cases are little less. It has reduced a lot, I would say, and even the number of new cases per day has reduced drastically to few hundreds in whole as a Germany as a country, and now the restrictions are also a little bit less. And so finally I decided to explore little bit at least in and around the city where I stay. I stay in Hamburg. So finally you can see over here I am near that metro station, and we are planning to go to a nearby town called Lübeck. So yeah, I thought I can shoot a video. I mean, I'm not a pro in doing a travel kind of vlog, but I thought I'll give it a shot. So yeah, travel with me today, and I'm super excited. Finally I am out and I'm breathing some air. Metro station. It's called Munzburg metro station. So we took all the precautions when we were traveling. Also, we were having our sanitizers. We were wearing the masks. So all the precautions we took. So finally, after taking the metro train from my place, we reached Central Station. So Central Station is like a common, main area where you have connected to different places. And here you can see that the life is kind of back to normal. Everyone is out, but everyone is taking precautions at the same time. And here we were about to meet two of our friends who were also joining us. And here you can see that we were checking where our train is going to come, which platform, and what is the timing for it. Normally Germans are very much punctual about the timings, and also the train comes at a very particular time and leaves sharply at that time. So there is not even like a 1 minute delay is also not there. And finally our train came. So here in train you can see there are two ways where you can go to a lower deck, or you can choose an upper deck. So there is nothing like a reservation they give, and we chose to go to the upper deck. And this is the upper deck you can see over here. This is how the train looks inside. So it's like kind of seater, and people are taking all the precautions to sit far from each other. So these are our gang of friends with whom we traveled. And yeah, this is the view throughout our journey. So it took almost like 30 minutes for us to reach. It's a very near place to Hamburg. We didn't plan to go to any far place, or neither we are having plans. So we were just trying to see in and around the city. So here you can see the reflection. We were checking few documents because the train checker was coming, so we were checking few documents whether we have that or not. So this was a very beautiful view throughout the journey. Here you can see this is one of the station which was just before our stop. So I'm just showing how the trains are over here and how is the station. So it is very cleanly maintained, I would say. It's very clean and nicely maintained. And after traveling for almost 30 minutes, we reached to our destination, Lübeck. So this is the train. I didn't show you how initially our train looked. So here you can see this is the train, and I am showing you how it is the lower deck and upper deck over there. And yeah, this is Lübeck. We reached Lübeck finally. Finally reached! And here I am showing you how the station outside looked like. So it was very beautiful. Even the station construction was so beautiful. That construction itself was looking like a tourist place to visit. And these are the few buildings which are just opposite our the station. So it was a very beautiful place actually. And from this place, from our station, we started walking, and we were trying to explore some nearby places. Hey, you guys turn and say hi. Muttu, turn. Good. Prasanna. So that was fun. My husband was very shy to say even hi, and all the other friends were making just fun. And yeah, finally we were walking and we decided a place to go. It's called as Hallstätter. It's built with the German brick Gothic design, and it's in fact a landmark known all over the Germany. It's having two rounded towers, and there's a passageway, so it's very beautiful. You can see it over there. And I was shooting whatever was coming on the way to Hallstätter. It was beautiful everywhere. You can see so green, and in fact the weather was also good. It was not too sunny, it was not raining, so it was good. And then we reached Hallstätter. The entrance itself was very beautiful. They were having lots of plants, rose plants and different varieties of plants. Here you can see rose plants. So, and the good thing about it is that no one plucks flowers. So there is no guard who is going to tell you that don't pluck flowers, but people in general, they don't pluck flowers over here. So that's very good thing which I liked about it. And the guys were busy taking photos over there. There was a full a photo session happening over there, and I was busy shooting all the flowers over there, all the beautiful plants over there. Here there are different other varieties of plants. I always get excited and fascinated seeing flowers. So here you can see, I mean, it's like so many flowers together in one big flower. It was so beautiful. It was like a treat to my eyes. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So that's how the Hallstätter gateway looks. So I'm showing you a closer picture of it. So it was beautiful actually. It was looking like this cartoon homes which come in cartoon channels. The way the every building is next to this Hallstätter was also in that way. So it was good. Here I was trying to show the kind of architecture. It's a purely northern German Gothic architecture, and this is the entrance of the Hallstätter Museum. I was trying to show that day the museum was closed because of the corona situation. That museum actually shows historical ship models, then weapons, then legal instruments and articles, everything used in Germany. Here you can see the Latin inscription in golden color, which I think talks something about unity, peace and harmony. And this is the inside view of that gateway. While the guys were busy deciding where to go to the next place, I was busy shooting. So here I'm showing you the back view of the Hallstätter gateway. And that's how we finished our first place in Lübeck, Hallstätter. And then we saw this beautiful lake and we saw a few people doing boating over there. And we were discussing among us as whether we should also go and do boating. And it was like a paddling boat. Who is the strongest among us is going to do. And finally it so happened that we didn't go for boating because none of us was in mood to actually do the paddling.
20 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
And we were just pulling one of our friend and making fun of him. And I think more than traveling to a place, it's the conversations you have, it's the fun, it's the journey that is more beautiful and more enjoyable. So thoroughly enjoyed. And then we came to the Strave River, and you can see over there 6 buildings across that river. That 6 buildings were used to store salt during the 16th to 18th centuries, and then it was shipped to several Baltic regions where the demand was high for salt for the preservation of food, but there was not enough supply of salt. And this is the historical importance of this place. And now of course this place has become as a historical a sightseeing kind of place. And here this is the other side of the same river where you have sit outs where people can go just chill, they can have their coffee, people chill over here with beer, and it's a pleasant view. And then we also sat over there and we had our cheesecake. So this was one of the beautiful sit outs across that river, and we were sitting over here, and then we were clicking few pictures, and then there were lights also, probably which they will switch it on in the night time. So we were just strolling across the river, then that's a very beautiful bridge over there. Then there were ducks in water, there were swans over there which I'm showing it. And the bridge which I showed over there, people go there and tie love locks, so it's a love lock bridge. Small lanes with beautiful buildings. The buildings had very good architecture, so this is what the buildings I'm talking about. So they were mostly in white color.
Hello, duck.
That was me trying to have a conversation with the duck. So finally we came on the bridge, and here you can see there were so many, literally so many locks. We didn't get a lock, so I didn't tie any love lock over there, but it was really good to see so many people still believing in love and doing all these things. It's more about a belief. It's nothing like you must do it, but it's about a belief. And that's how we completed traveling second place in Lubeck. I'll show what other places I roamed in my next video. So until then, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Vada Pav Samba channel. I'll come up with a new video very soon. Until then, bye bye.